Okay, so we're going to do a life hack that you can do with your headphones. Yeah, these things. Make sure if you want to do this life hack, you need Apple ones with the bar right here. Okay? We'll show you it. Alrighty, so when you get your headphones, you get them. Plug them in. Well, so plug this. Oh no. Plug that into the device. Then put these in your ears. Then you get this. Bite on it and go la 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 la, and it makes a really weird noise. And we'll show you when I did it once.